Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out the video. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to add this Vitex tree to your website using Shopify. So all you have to do is pull out your smartphone and log into the Shopify app. Once you're logged into the Shopify app, I would just search for my Vitex tree or my Vitex example tree here. Click on Add Media, take a picture with my phone, and then it'll load the picture of my tree that I sell here in my store directly to the product for my website. Then I click publish, and that's it. I'm done. So now I'm going to walk you through and share with you my screen as I do this. Okay, so here I am on my phone. I'm going to click on the Shopify app, and I'm going to search for my Vitex tree. All right, there it is, my example Vitex tree. I clicked on it, and I'm going to scroll down to media. I'm going to press that plus button in that square box there to add media. It's going to give me the option to click on my camera, and there is the tree in front of me. I'm going to try and position this to get a good picture of it. Perfect. I'm going to click on use photo now, and the image is going to load here. So I can see I've got all of my product details in here, the price that I charge, product description, title. The product is saving and syncing, and I'll give it just a second to load here. And there we go. I now have a product image. And that's it. You're done. Once you've added the image to the product, you can choose to write a quick description there, or you can choose to just click publish and publish the product to your website. And that's the easy and fast way to get your live goods onto your website using Shopify.